Hi, welcome back to New England Fire Cooking. I'm Aaron Higgins, and today I'm kind of doing an impromptu recipe for you guys. I got halfway through preparing this, and then I realized that I haven't done this recipe on this channel yet. So what I'm talking about today is I'm talking about some chicken bacon ranch sandwiches. So what I did was I took a whole chicken breast, I pounded it out until it was about a ½ inch thick. And then what I did was I cut it in half to make two halves of this. There's no way I'm going to eat a whole pounded out chicken breast with one sandwich. That'd be insane. So what I did afterwards was I threw it in this Ziploc bag, and I threw some Italian Robusto dressing inside. And it serves as a really good marinade. You can throw it in the fridge for about an hour. At very least, I would say an hour. I usually go overnight, but this is a quick one today. So I chucked it in there for about an hour. I've got my Weber Q heating up here. It's coming up to temp. I've got my grill grates for any grill on there. It's going to leave some really nice sear marks on this chicken. I'm going to get this closed so this can get up to temperature, and then we're going to get this on the grill. And we're going to make some killer chicken sandwiches. So now the grill grates on the Weber Q have gotten up to temperature. We just want to hit it with a quick dose of cooking spray. Marinated chicken right on. Get her closed, let it go to work. Okay, our chicken's been on for a little while, and now we're going to give these bad boys a flip. We're back here checking on our chicken. These are looking pretty good to me. Good way to check chicken is either temp it, you want 165, or if it's just cooked white all the way through and the juices run clear, you're in good shape. This isn't bone-in chicken, this is just breast, so I think we're doing pretty good. Get this upstairs and make some sandwiches. So for bread on these sandwiches, what I did was I went to McQuaid's Marketplace and I bought a loaf of their cheesy bread. Comes with some cheese already baked into it. I'm just grilling these on the leftover bacon grease from the pan that I cooked the bacon in for these chicken bacon ranch sandwiches. Okay, so our bread is done grilling. Now it's time to build these sandwiches. I don't know about you guys, but to me, this is perfect chicken bacon ranch. Layer some bacon on here. We got some Kraft Ranch dressing from the grocery store. I just grabbed this because it was available. If you really wanted to go nuts and make this absolutely incredible, you can make your own ranch dressing from scratch. There's plenty of recipes on the internet. But for today, we're just gonna do some of that. Get a tomato slice on there. And then get some of this butterhead lettuce. To me, right there, that is a perfect grilled chicken bacon ranch sandwich. Of course, I got to make another one. Process for ranch dressing. Oh yeah, look at that. Tomato slice. And some lettuce. And bingo. Here we are. Okay guys, before I dive in here and start going nuts, I've already cut one of these in half. I can barely contain myself here. But let's do a quick run through of what we did. This was kind of an impromptu recipe. I started this video after I had already started the process. I apologize for that, and just clicked in my head. I've never done a chicken bacon ranch sandwich, so I figured I might as well jump in and make a video of it. Basically what we did was we took one chicken breast, just one boneless chicken breast, and we pounded it until it was about a ½ inch thick. And then after that, we cut the breast in half to make our sandwich cuts, or our cutlets basically. And then I threw them in a Ziploc bag and I covered them with Robusto Italian dressing and let them hang out for about an hour in the refrigerator. And then after that, we fired up the Weber Q, got our grill grates for any grill on there, and let them get nice and hot, and then we hit them with some cooking spray. And then we cooked the chicken breast about 5 minutes aside. You want to make sure that chicken is done. This isn't like a burger or a steak where you can have chicken medium rare or anything like that. You don't want any pink at all. You want a white center all the way through, cooked all the way through. So I did about 5 minutes aside. And then we just pan fried 4 slices of bacon, got them crispy, and then set them aside. After that, we took our cheesy bread from McQuaid's Marketplace. It's a store-made cheesy bread. You can find it right at the bakery. It's really good stuff. And then what we did was we cut some nice thick slices in it, and then we grilled it in the leftover bacon grease from our bacon pan. And after that, all we did was we just set our chicken on there. We set our bacon on top of the chicken. We drizzled some ranch dressing across. Like I said, you can buy it from the grocery store. You can make your own ranch dressing. It's awesome, by the way. And then after that, we just layered it with some butter lettuce and some tomato slice. And now we're ready to get right in here and eat a late lunch, early dinner. So without further ado, look at that. That was just some chicken bacon ranch. Goodness, we have a piece of bacon here. Wow. Well, it tastes like bacon. It tastes like ranch. Here we go. This is an awesome sandwich. I could eat this every day for lunch. This is an amazing sandwich. My hungry wife is going to be very, very happy in about 30 seconds. This is really, really awesome, guys. I'm telling you, Robusto. It's called Chicken Robusto. You do the robust or Robusto Italian dressing as a marinade. It's a home run every single time. It comes out juicy. You get some nice smoke flavor, nice char flavor from the grill. And Weber Q did a great job. You know, say what you want about Weber gas grills, guys, but when you're doing something like this, and you're just throwing something together, okay, and you don't have to cook over wood, you know, or do hours and hours and hours of cooking. You know, Weber grills, they heat up fast. You know, they're there for the long haul. They're a workhorse. They will cook a steak, they will cook a burger, they will cook, you know, grilled chicken. Like I said, workhorse. They show up and they do it every single time. This is awesome. Got the ranch flavor, and this cheesy bread is great. We grilled this cheesy bread and melted all the cheese that was baked into this. You don't have to throw a slice of cheese on this sandwich. This is just a messy, tender, grilled chicken, delicious meal here. This is a spiritual sandwich. Telling you, you can't go wrong. This is a winner every time, and this is easy. It takes no time at all to make this. Perfect for a Sunday afternoon. I'm kicking back, watching the game. This is a great sandwich to make, guys. Once again, if you have any doubts about chicken doneness, temp it. You want 165, this is breast meat, it's perfect for that. Once you're at 165, you are done. But like I said, I'm still chewing here. Wow. Wow. About 5 minutes aside, and it got us right where we wanted to go. Hey, listen, thanks for hanging out with us for this quickie recipe today. This impromptu video. We really appreciate you spending the time. I'm really glad we get to bring this to you. If you like what you see and you want to see more of this, subscribe to our channel, give us a like and share. You can also check us out on Instagram, also check us out on Facebook. Leave us your thoughts, leave us your feedback. If you have any comments, leave them in the comments section. You want to see us try something out on this channel that you think would be really, really good, give us some suggestions. We'd love to hear from you. We'll see you next time.